Are you struggling to master Spring Boot? Let's simplify it for you in just 60 seconds. Spring Boot is your secret weapon for creating standalone, production-grade Spring apps with minimal fuss. It eliminates the need for lengthy XML configurations and manual setup, so you can focus on coding. To master Spring Boot, here's your roadmap. First, get comfortable with the basics, understanding the Spring framework and dependency injection. Next, dive into Spring Boot starters, which simplify your project dependencies. Then explore Spring Boot auto configuration to save time on repetitive tasks. Don't forget to learn about Spring Boot Actuator for monitoring and managing your applications. Finally, master the art of building RESTful web services with Spring Boot, and dig into Spring Data JPA for database interactions. Follow this path and you'll be a Spring Boot pro in no time. Happy coding!